Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Tastytrade Platform Review My Usage Experience. Tastytrade Platform Review My Usage Experience offers a comprehensive review and analysis of the Tastytrade platform, a trading platform focused on options trading. It's aimed at both beginner and experienced options traders who want to learn more about the platform's features and capabilities before committing to using it. Key features often discussed include educational resources, trading tools, and charting capabilities. Their website provides details on specific functionalities. Their website details the platform's various features and educational resources. They highlight the platform's ease of use, particularly for options trading. They emphasize the educational aspect as a key differentiator. Pricing is transparent, although specific costs depend on chosen subscription levels, if any. Availability is readily accessible through a simple sign-up process on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Tastytrade Platform Review My Usage Experience. I found the platform review to be incredibly helpful. Getting started was a breeze. The review website is well organized and easy to navigate. I particularly appreciated the way the review broke down the platform's features, showing screenshots and explaining each function clearly. I spent a good amount of time exploring the sections on option strategies and risk management. The explanations were straightforward and easy to understand, even for someone like me who's relatively new to options trading. The review's analysis of the platform's charting tools was especially valuable, helping me compare it to other options trading platforms I'd considered. The performance of the review site itself was excellent. It loaded quickly and I didn't experience any glitches. I did have a quick question about one specific aspect of the platform's functionality, and I found their contact information easily and received a helpful email response within 24 hours. One minor drawback was the lack of video tutorials within the review itself, which would have been beneficial. Overall, I was really impressed by how thoroughly the review covered the Tastytrade platform. The standout feature for me was definitely the detailed comparison to other platforms in the market. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the information provided and found it instrumental in my decision-making process regarding the Tastytrade platform. That's my overview of Tastytrade Platform Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.